I'm Scot Frink from Salem Audiology Clinic, and today we're doing an unboxing of the new Sennheiser over-the-counter hearing aid. So without further ado, I'm going to open it up. And I actually kind of knew what's coming. There's actually 4 different products that are supposed to be in here. So these are the products that they're oriented towards patients actually purchasing them online, and then if necessary, they can actually bring them to an audiologist to have assistance if they need it. There's an additional cost for that, but again, theoretically, these products can work fine out of the box. But at the same time, if the patient or the user finds that it's not quite working as well for them, then they can actually come to audiologists and have more work done. So the first product I'm taking out looks like the All Day Clear Slim. This is intended as a full-blown hearing aid that can be used by people with mild to moderate hearing losses. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that out for now. We'll look at each of these. And then this is the All Day Clear. It's a slightly different design. Okay, so far the boxes look pretty cool. And they have 2 other devices that aren't actually specifically hearing aids, but they're more of what we call hearables. They're to assist in limited circumstances. So the first one is kind of like an earbud style, and it looks similar to the things that you see people wearing at gyms and stuff to listen to their music and everything. Now these do have a little bit of amplification to them, but not a lot, and so this is really not intended to actually replace the hearing aid. The other devices are supposed to be more. All right, so the TVS 200 is probably going to be a fairly common one because, again, lots of people could have assistance with probably trying to hear on the TV. I don't have hearing loss, but I still turn captions on, which is still good advice whether you have hearing aids or not. And so we're just going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what it comes. Very nicely packaged and presented. So they have a little thing here that says the TV will never be the same. So scan the code for an easy guided step on how to set it up. So anyway, so we'll go ahead and take that out. Set that there. Okay, so this is the actual TV transmitter device. Just take things out and spread them out. Okay, so this is the actual transmitter. Okay, here you have a power on switch, plus and minus for volume. On the back here, right here is how it plugs into the TV, where you plug in for power, and this is the link button to actually link it to the devices. It's gonna be fun repackaging this. And there they are. So there's actually 3 sizes. It comes with the average size attached, and then there's a small and a large one where you can attach them on there so that they can fit. It is a rechargeable device. This is the contacts right there. So when they're not in use, you just plug them into the charger to recharge them. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one in my ear so you can kind of see what it looks like in the ear. So that's what it looks like on the ear. Now again, this isn't meant as a full-time hearing aid at all. It's meant just for the use with the TV device. So cosmetics really aren't as important. What's important is how well you actually hear the TV with it, which we will actually check later. This is most of the electronics for it. Again, there's a cord here to hook it up to the TV, and then the power cord. It's all pretty straightforward. Again, you just plug in for power, plug into the back of the TV, typically into what's going to be either an optical cable or a RCA jack, or possibly a headphone jack. So anyway, so this is the again, the Sennheiser TVS 200 sets.